Alright, hey everybody, you gotta have a Whirlpool duet model washer. And we had a really bad electrical storm here Friday, knocked out the power. Well, Sunday night when they got the power restored, couldn't find out this washing machine wasn't working at all. So, I'm gonna give you a brief tutorial to save you some money. This right here is your brain on your washer. That little terminal right there with the copper tips on it, that's the one I got burned out. The only reason I found this out is because if you pop that lid off, there's a service manual in there that you can do a test on with the voltmeter and stuff, and it'll tell you. Well, it told me that this was bad. Now this right here, it's actually got the part number on the top. I ordered this from a company down in Tennessee. I'll go ahead and show you right there. Well, anyway, I had to get that part number, which is a little bit different than the one on the top. But anyway, I paid $260 for this. And I know you're probably going, $260? That's pretty expensive, man. Actually, it's not, considering that Sears one's $450 for it. But what I'm going to do is, because I have this little handy dandy green label on the side, I'm going to get $60 of my money back by sending them my old core. So what we're going to do is we're just going to snap these down. Now this is pretty easy if you take pictures of the terminals before you disconnect them where the wires are, and then all you have to do is just look at your pictures and hook them back up where they go. Okay, so you just snap it down like that. And we're going to put this in here and get 60 bucks back. But I'd have to say that on the difficulty of this, if you don't know what you're doing, it's going to be pretty difficult. But I got this replaced for altogether be 180 bucks.